Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ghost King HU back again with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a video on the Lenovo Smart Display 7 Google Assistant. Now this one is a little bit different from what I'm used to doing, but I've been in the market looking for a smart display because, well, I like the look of these, but I didn't know what exactly I wanted to get. And then I saw this and I was like, oh, it's like it's got a whole speaker on the bottom. Got the Google Assistant. I love using the Google Assistant. Like it's got Spotify, got Chromecast built in, got Google Photos. So it could probably even use this as a what's the thing? The little whenever you have the Google Photos and it just goes through like a, Lord knows I can't even think of picture frame. You know, use it as a you can use it as a picture frame and have your Google Photos going through it. Now, if you can do that, that'll be pretty cool. I could definitely be like showing like people walk in. I could have like videos of me at different trips and different events flashing through the screen. Like that'll be pretty cool. And like I said, it's got Spotify, so I can use that to, you know, play some music, you know, without having to turn on the TV and do all and play my phone. Because, you know, phone speakers, they're good, but again, a speaker like this would probably be even better. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up. Plastic. Alright, and let's get, alright. Y'all know I have trouble opening boxes. An unboxing channel struggling to open boxes. Ain't that about a shame. Alright, you got it. Just gotta how can I not open up a box? Oh jeez. Maybe this just isn't for me to open. Hold up. Maybe what I do is, dang, I'm an idiot. There was a piece of tape right. Making it harder than it need to be. All right, open up the box and greet it with your device. Oh, this is nice. We'll put that off to the side. What we got here, it's a nice presentation right here. What we got right here, we got the plug to plug it in. Nice. Give it the power, and that's it. What? All right. Got the quick start guide. I don't need to worry about that. Get out of here. What we got here, we got Google Assistant telling I control your home and all that. That's what's up. I ain't worried about that. Then empty box. Ain't worried about that either. Then we got open source. Ain't worried about that. And plastic. We ain't worried about that either. Let's get to what we came here for. Ooh, this right here is nice. Okay. But listen. Hold on, let me get close to the camera. Ah, that's satisfying right there. That's satisfying. And just throw that over there like that. Then that was the chair. That wasn't me. That did that, you know. Then this is not bad. Let's see what we got. Plug this bad boy up. Now, okay. Alright. Let's power this bad boy up and see what it do. Got the plus and minus button right here. I'm not even sure what that does. Alright, there it goes, booting up. Got the Lenovo right there. Nice little load up screen. Nice little load up screen. I like that. Yeet. All right. Any moment.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Oh, okay, all right. I will be right back. Let me go get a phone. All right, y'all, so we back in this. Now you download the Google Home app, and it's gonna look for the device. Found it right there, the smart display. Just wanna tap that, then hit next. It said that it might disconnect during the Wi-Fi setup, which is understandable. It happens sometimes. All right, says right here, I am connected. Automatically share, yeah, sure, let's do that. We're gonna make this one, the camera to focus. We're gonna make this one the living room. Put this on the Wi-Fi. There we go. Now it's gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Now it has to update. It's really something else right here, man. Like, this is nice. Got a whole little situation going on right here. I like this. Heck, if this works like I think it will, this is about to be sweet. While that's updating, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now it's just time to finish the setup. That update took a lot longer than I thought. Plus, I think my internet crashed, which is crazy. Let's see if this thing is touchscreen. Oh, it is touchscreen. Nice.
Welcome to your new smart display. Let me show you how it works. This is the home screen, where you'll find notifications, reminders, and important information, and learn more about what your Google Assistant can do for you.
Nice.
Say, "Hey Google," to get started. You can ask questions, play your favorite music and videos, get step-by-step voice guidance for thousands of recipes, control smart home devices, and more. You can also ask your assistant to complete multiple actions with a single command. This is called a routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning," and your assistant will show you your calendar, the weather, your commute, and whatever else you need to start your day.
You doing all that?
Want to share the moment? You can video call friends and family hands-free with Google Duo.
I ain't worried
Also
about
built
that.
in on new Android phones and available for free on iPhones. You can connect compatible smart home devices like the lights and thermostat through the Google Home app on your phone.
I ain't got no thermostat.
There you can set up news and media, customize routines, and change the ambient mode, which is what you'll see when you're not using your smart display.
Okay.
To adjust volume or brightness, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And anytime you want to exit, just swipe from the left edge. Give it a try now and see what your smart display can do for you.
Let's see what it do. All right.
First, swipe down from the top.
You know what? For once, I'm a do the actual instructions.
Great swiping. This is where you can
I
find
appreciate
control devices in your smart home.
Been swiping for over 30 years,
Now
man.
to close this, swipe up. Next,
Swipe up.
I'll show you where to find settings. Swipe up from the bottom.
Swipe up.
Well done. This is where you can control some settings.
I feel like I'm on Tinder.
Like screen brightness, volume, and a few other things. To hide these settings, tap anywhere.
Alright.
Now let's look at some things you can see on your home screen. To check out your day, tap anywhere.
What's that mean?
You've really got the hang of this. Throughout the day, I'll have new things here for you. Anything, from what's on your calendar to top hits on YouTube. To see more of what's available, scroll right. Great job. Now, just as a final tip, if you want to learn more, you can always ask me, what can you do? Have fun, and bye for now.
Alright, that sounds pretty good. This is beautiful. Way more than I was expecting for $100. Like, this is nice. Like this is a total game changer right here. Let's let me play myself right quick and see, and see if I am actually on YouTube. Hey Google, play Ghost King HU videos.
Alright, here's Ghost King Who videos on YouTube.
Okay, what? Alright. No, that ain't me. Okay, alright. So apparently I'm not famous yet. But let's see, hey Google, play Flossie Carter videos.
Alright, here's Flossie Carter on YouTube.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video.
Hey
And
Google.
today we're gonna take a...
Stop. Not bad. Hey Google, play non-copywritten music.
Playing the album Free Non-Copyrighted Background Music for videos and adverts on Spotify.
Let's see how loud these speakers are. I at least want to hear how good they are. Hey Google. Hey Google. Volume up. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Ooh. Okay, everything get pretty loud. That's not bad. I mean, need a little bit of bass to them, but I mean, what can you expect from such a little speaker right here? But that's really nice. Got a camera right here. Never want to use that. Oh, it's got a little thing to cut the camera on and off. All right, leave that off. I'm never using that. But hey Google, stop. This right here. This right here, you need to get one of these, especially only if you're trying to get into like the little smart home thing. I mean, this is really nice because you can have like anything you want on this screen. I'm gonna definitely have to play around with this more and see what it is. But as of right now, this is definitely a go ahead. This definitely get the big boy thumb right here. But that's gonna do it for this video. It's your boy Ghost King HU, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.